Hi, good afternoon. Welcome at Thomas Regout at the BalanceBox stand. We're here at ISE at the second day. I'm showing you the BalanceBox 650. It's our manual mount. Also with one finger, easy movement, you can move your display up and down and create the best working environment. The system is a manual height adjustment system. It's a spring-based system. Also here, same as the BalanceBox 400, you can mount this easily on the wall. Or if you want to have a mobile solution on a mobile stand, those are the mounting options we have. This BalanceBox has a maximum load capacity of 180 kilograms, so works with every display, and as you can see, it's here also the option of including whiteboards to it. This system is also lockable, so nothing can happen with your display. Manual system, also here again, the system is manual, so it creates the best working environment, and what is the good thing on it, it's the fastest in the world, which helps you to create an intuitive working environment. I can show my children what I'm doing, I can ask my audience here and move it down, but still stay in contact with your audience. Children can work with it, and I move it up again to show the other ones. That's the best height adjustable system there is at the moment. If you want more information, please contact us at www.heightadjustablemounts.com. Thank you very much.